Hello everybody, Houston here for another video. I hope you guys are doing well, having a great day or a great night, and let's jump into the charts. Okay, so in the left we have Digibyte against the dollar, and on the right against Bitcoin. Let me see if we have better data here. Second. Okay, not the best. I will stick with this one here. Okay, so first things first. Just let me see. If I'm not wrong, there's a chart that is best than this one. Not this one. No, not this one as well. Okay, so let's stay with this one here. From what I saw in other chart, we had a big rejection here in multiple candles, but there's an interesting thing here. We have a specific trigger here. That level. Okay, so we had rejections here and the trigger on 005. Okay, so have this number in mind, take note. Let's take a look on volume as well. Okay, we have ranging volume here. This is for the tracks, nice. And there's another thing here, another level. We were okay, not for this one, but there is in another exchange we were close, not so close, but close to zero. Okay, if I'm not wrong, this is one of the triggers for all this volatility here. Okay, now let's take a look on OBV. Okay, so if I'm not wrong, on BTC, the other exchange, we have a bearish divergence here. Okay, so if you're not sure about the behavior, price, and the numbers, check your other exchange. Okay, make a double check so you don't get lost in the way. Okay, so looking good here. Not no bearish and zero bearish signs here, and not so far away from taking the previous high as well. Looking great. Take a zoom here. If okay here, if I'm not wrong, we have some activity here. No, we won't be able to see on this candle here. Let me see again if I can find that other chart that has much better data. Okay, this one, yes, this one that I was looking for. Okay, so can you guys see here the divergence? Low, high, low, low. Okay, which means the volume for HitBTC was not catching up. Okay, and the price were following the index. So watch out for all the numbers, and also for the volume here. Okay, you keep an eye on the volume. Okay, so here what we had here we had the key level. As you guys can see, we made the point, trigger, and then rejection, bearish structure. We can't see on the monthly, but we can see on the weekly and the daily, other time frames as well. And then an interesting thing here, one of the reasons why I don't trade support and resistance, okay? So can you guys see here, this level here acted as support, resistance, and then resistance again, right? So here we can see that a lot of people or a single person try to short a powerful candle, and this is all the way bad, okay? Because you are putting yourself in a bad situation where your risk versus reward odds are low, so it's not the best place to be, okay? Nobody wants to try to stop a train at full speed, right? So in this scenario right here, for bullish continuation, we look for a bullish setup, okay? Not trying to stop the predominant force power, okay, the ones in charge. And so again, this is a powerful candle with a small rejection here, and then this candle right here is another power candle, okay? Zero rejection so far, which means it looks like the sellers already gave up, okay? So very interesting to see what's going to play out here. And for more info about this whole structure, remember our high, this is our midway, which we had here a bear flag, a big one. This was a big bear flag, okay? And for instance, we had this low here, okay? So for now, by a fact, what we know, second, okay, so for a fact, we had our high, our midway, and our bottom, and this guy here took this one here. So the bulls made their point here, okay? So in order to have a trend reversal, what we needed, a higher high compared to the previous one, and we made this point here, okay? Because we had our previous high and then a higher high compared to the previous one. So looking good so far. Good news for the Digibyte bulls. And now let's take a closer look. Volume, okay, raging volume, volume catching up, continuation. Okay, no news here. Let's take a look on the weekly. Okay, now it's looking great. So here we had that bearish pattern that I mentioned before, okay? So we make one, two, three, bear break, okay? Made the target, was around this level here, okay? And then our somewhat bear flag, yes, it's a bear flag, there's no doubt. And then let's take measures here. Yes, from this guy here, okay? So our anchor is here, okay, for Fibonacci, just so you can understand the lines in the range. And we got a rejection right on the golden, but we had a trigger, and then golden, oh sorry, the golden trigger, but we had no continuation, okay? You know, this structure here, I call this a broken mirror, okay? And why? because in this sell here, we didn't had a move like this, a strong sell and then a bounce to craft another bear flag and then keep going down. No, this was like a not natural move at all. It looks like there is a small trading activity and maybe nobody interested to short as well. Okay, this is what I'm feeling right now. Okay, so this move disagrees with this one, which was great news for later continuation. And here in the bottom we had a bear flag. Okay, so we had the mirror or broken mirror, a bear flag, and then the strong sell. But this was for the one that I can talk about. Okay, and let me make another zoom. This candle right here in between, the inverted hammer, it's a call for the bulls. Okay, it's a bullish candle. It also can trigger like a reversal without a pattern, or we are going to see maybe there is a hidden pattern here in the lower time frames. We are going to take a look, maybe we will find. And then there is another interesting thing here. Okay, so let's take a look on the 3 days, but before, okay, oh, here he is. As you guys can see, this guy here is this one here, and this one here is the last one. Okay, so here we had a bullish divergence here before. Okay, before the big move, and we can see in the bottom, you can see right here this one and this one. Let's take a closer look so you guys can see. So have this in mind: lower low, lower low. Okay, we are going to check this on OBV. In the chart we have our lower low and then another lower low, right? But here what we have our higher low compared to OBV, and then we have our higher low. That's a bullish divergence. Okay, people who are trading Digibyte, or people who saw this, they could be somewhat the first on the trade, or made their entry right about the right after the first spike. Okay, now let's take a look on the 3 days. Fantastic. Okay, so this is that level that I talked about before, that people try to short here. Let me take a zoom here. So can you see this candle right here in the crosshair? It's a big indecision candle. Okay, so the ones in control, the math is like this: control, people in control, the bulls, mais indecision equals the ones in control. Okay, and that's what we saw here. We had a bullish continuation. Okay, this math is also true for trend. Okay, trend plus indecision equals the ones in control, CIC. Okay, have this in mind, take notes, and let's take another look on OBV. Okay, nothing spectacular here. Let's draw a line. Yes, this one here is perfect. Here we had another bearish attempt here in the for support resistance traders. At later they use it as a support, but there is a hint here that I'm going to show you. There is a Fibonacci level here, a key Fibonacci level. Let's take a look right now. Let's see if I can make it properly. Okay, no guesses. Let's just draw. Yes, close to 50 on the golden. Yes, no news. So we made the point on the 70, and we triggered which level? 80, which is bullish. Okay, so right after they led no space, no chance for the bears. Okay, this candle here and this one here was like unstoppable. Okay, I believe a lot of people lost money here trying to short and maintain uh, the lower high. Okay, because the main idea here was you can see this long tail here was the attempt to maintain the price in below compared to the previous high, which will give the bears another lower high, and they will short again. Okay, so it was a fast and smart move. Mind games, people who are prepared will win. Okay, so very interesting here to see this kind of action. No confluence on 50. Good news. We had our trigger on the first golden, which is very common to see, like I mentioned in the last video. In the bull markets, we retrace to the golden, and then we keep going. That's exactly what we had here. Spike, retrace to the golden, continuation. So no news here. Sorry, no news here. Congratulations for the bulls. And then we end up on top of the previous key level, which is amazing news for the bulls here. They made their point above the previous high, which is fantastic. And now let's take a closer look on the daily. Okay, so here we had it's already overextended, parabolic, and we are going to need a retrace soon. Otherwise, the bears will find momentum, and they will probably try to take out this level again, so they can work the price behind this main level and place their shorts above this significant level here. Okay, so watch out. We are probably very likely to have a retest. Okay, doesn't matter how high we go, we will have probably going to retest this level here. Okay, very likely, just like we did it before on these two candles here. Can you see? Two morning stars. If I'm not wrong, it's a morning star. Yes, not a shooting star. Morning star. No, it's an evening star. I always mistake. I always forget the name. Sorry. So we had both candles here that could be a sign that we were already overextended and a call for the bears, like a bearish sign. But it turned to be indecision candle on the second one, and then the bulls stepped in again. So it's nice to see the bulls. And another thing that you guys have to look at, all these full body candles. Can you see? Body, full body, body, full body. Rejection, people shorting the resistance, and then full body and full body again. This is bullish, okay? It's nice to see candles like this again, like we had in 2017. It's great news, just amazing. Now let's take a look on the OBV. Okay, we have a small bearish divergence here. As you guys can see, we have a top here, and then a low. So on volume is decreasing and the price is going up. So it's a red flag. Watch out. Pay attention to the volume. It's one of your best friends in technical analysis. And let's take a look on the 4 hours. Just 1 second, please. Okay, let's go. And then, okay, here. We have to start. Okay, let's draw a proper line here. Okay, I'm going to explain this pattern both ways, okay? So first, here we lost momentum because we were not, the bulls, they couldn't make a higher high compared to the previous one with a single blow, which means the bears were waiting. They are chasing for a loss of momentum in the bull side. And but was kind of a weird move because here they are shorting the support, the battle that they lost here. Okay, and so it's kind of weird because they had like very small odds here to short support, because shorting here the bears, and we have the bulls longing here, and they have all this firepower here. Okay, so the bulls won the battle versus the bears here, and then we broke bearish from this rising wedge, and I believe the bulls made it on purpose, because the proper continuation here would be like this and make high, higher high, set the point for a higher high, and then they could let the bears take control for a while and set the price here again, and then protected by the key level they could long and buy again and keep looking for continuation. Okay, it doesn't matter what would be the continuation. So I in my opinion, this coming back to the rising wedge, it's bearish. Okay, this can be a move driven by FOMO and late bulls, people buying like on FOMO, yes, fear of missing out. And then we have this guy here now. Can you see this little candle here? It's the evening star, the bearish one, the one that it's like, let me make a draw so you can better understand. So this is price going up, parabolic, and then we end up with this candle. Oops, Okay, this candle here. This candle, what is the information behind this candle here? The bulls keep buying, and then the bears stepped in and sold, which will give us this kind of move here. Okay, so then we go down, the bulls buy again, but they are not able to make a new and a, a new high with a power candle. So we end up with this weak candle, and this is a big sign for the bears. Okay, this is a very bearish candle, and even if the bulls were able to make a candle like this, the hammer, it's not a hammer, but okay, let's draw a proper hammer here. Yes. So we open the candle here, right? And then the bears short, the bulls buy the low. Sorry, it's the contrary. But okay, whatever. Just for the sake of the example, I don't want to take much time here. And then they are not able to make a strong higher high with an interesting candle for the bulls. Okay, and this guy here is bearish as well. Okay, this one and this one both are bearish. Okay, they are triggering the bears to jump in and finally make a pullback for price. Okay, so just a little information from this guy here, right on top, right inside in the right in the end of the structure, this bearish sign here, the evening star. Okay, so not the best place to buy, and not safe as well, because anyone buying or longing here going to have, for example, the stop or the liquidation here, and this right now is not the bulls territory. Okay, the bulls territory are here and not in between, in the middle. Okay, because some people will look at this level here and say, well, it was resistance before, now it is support now. No, it's not how it works. It's not because people are finding value doesn't mean we have value at this range. Okay, because it's too close to the top, which means a strong move here will probably wipe out everybody here in between, and the bulls hideout for now it's here on 0016980. Okay, let's take a look on OBV. Okay, here we have somewhat bearish divergence from this guy and this guy here. We had a loss of momentum and buyer's volume here, and the catch up here, probably FOMO, like I told you guys already. Now let's take a look on the 1 hour. Okay, yes, that's it. Here, so this structure right here, we can make this. Oh, let me show you another thing. Just 1 second, please. Okay. So this structure here, it's valid. It's not speculative. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 2. Broke bearish. We made point here with 5, and then again the whole structure is valid. Okay, also have this in mind, it may help you. And so we have a point here as well. I also saw this scenario many times before in stocks and crypto as well, and is not bullish. Okay, so we can use this this guy here, it's valid. We have 1, like a double, far away, 2 and 3. Not the best scenario, but is valid, and no problem just to highlight this under channel or hidden channel that lead backs to inside our bearish rising wedge. And here another thing that we can see, but only in a small time frame, and I'm going to zoom again so you can see what I see. Can you see how we keep going up, but in a grinding way? You know, there's nobody selling. Let's keep buying. It's like this, the feeling. I don't know if you can catch. So if we go, okay, so here we made a higher high, and here a marginal higher high with decreasing volume. I don't know if you guys can see in the bottom, decreasing. So the price is going up and the volume is going down. Okay, this is another red flag for the bulls and a green light for the bears. And we still have the higher lows protected. So what we may see here is another micro rising wedge here. Okay, very likely to see. Let me make a better draw so you guys will understand. Can you see? Another rising wedge, bearish. Okay, so what I expect to happen here soon, we are probably going to bear break here, or even maybe make a new higher high right on the end of the microstructure, and then we go down, and then we go, craft a bear flag, we go down. The bulls, what they will do here, they will find support as well, but it doesn't mean they are going to find bullish activity here. Okay, because we saw they bought here before. Can you see? And then they will look for this level again, and it's right under our hidden channel, right below, which can give us another bear flag, or even another rising wedge. We have multiple patterns that can play out here, bearish ones. If I'm not wrong, 80 or 90 bearish patterns can develop on this scenario. Okay, and maybe even I don't believe it's the case here. Okay, because it's not clear, but even head and shoulders, double top, or even a triple top, and goes on and on and on. So we can make also this move here, give us a rising wedge, and then we are going to lose our first higher low. Go craft bear take control. The bulls will find value below. They will retest the previous support, key level for them, and then the bears may take control for a while till we make the point to the bulls hideout. Okay, and now let me zoom back again just a little. So after all these scenarios here, what we are going to look next, once we reach this level here, this will be a key moment for Digibyte. Okay, and why? Because depending on the way, depending how we reach this level and how we bounce from here, it's going to tell us if we are going to see bullish continuation or bears taking control. Okay, just a second please. Okay, let's go. And so, for example, one of the structures we can see developing here is the following. So this is our higher high, the big one. And let's say the bulls are waiting for the bears here. They are going to charge them. Okay, let's say we go up like this. And then we make a lower high. This move right here, it's going to be the loser's rally. Let's take place on top. Okay, so another draw. Let's make this clear for a better understanding. How works a loser's rally? We go down and then we go up, straight up, making a lower high. Okay. And also this move here will print a bear candle on the weekly and the monthly chart. Okay, so I believe this is it. I don't think we have more info, anything else to cover here for Digibyte. Well, I hope you guys, oops, just a second. Sorry, my throat is killing me. So I hope this info is helpful. May it improve the way you look at the charts, the way you read the charts, how you interpret the charts, and how you feel, how you read the nature, the human behavior behind the charts. And also hope it may improve your technical analysis or your trading setup. And don't forget, hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe. I help you, you help me, I'm sharing my time with you, and I believe this is it for now. I will see you guys soon with another technical analysis soon. I'm going to choose another one. If I'm not wrong, it's going to be Tesos. Yes, I believe Tesos is the next. We had many requests already. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys stay safe. And this is it. Then thank you for your support and your time.